Welcome back to Afghan-Indian kitchen. Today I'm making mantu with a twist, no Chana Dal sauce. For the filling, 350 grams of boiled minced beef and 2 to 3 boiled potatoes. Add red chilli powder, coriander powder, cumin powder, salt, one chopped onion and chopped green onions. Mix well and set aside. For the dough, combine all-purpose flour, salt, oil and water. Knead to make a smooth dough. Shape the dough into balls and roll them out into large, thin chapati-like discs. Then, cut them into small patties using a cookie cutter or a small bowl, as shown in the video. Fill with the prepared mince mixture and shape your dumplings. Grease a steam pan and dip each dumpling in oil before placing them in the pan. Steam the mantu until they become transparent and shiny. Meanwhile, prepare the garlic curd sauce. Mix finely chopped garlic, chopped green onions, and thick curd. Whisk well. Now for the twist, Momo's chutney. Boil 2 tomatoes, 4 to 6 Kashmiri red chilies, and 4 to 6 garlic cloves. Blend with salt and vinegar or lemon juice until smooth. For plating, spread garlic curd sauce on a plate, then layer with mantu and more garlic curd. Sprinkle with fresh mint leaves and drizzle Momo's chutney on top. Do try it out and let me know how you liked it in the comments. It's delicious and so tempting. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tasty recipes.